marked enemy.
Our flagman returned to base. Good work. We dropped the enemy flag. We picked up their flag. Tactics to all pilots. We're crashing the terrorists. They're barely putting up a fight. Whatever you're doing, it's working. Keep it up. It's a double kill. We dropped the enemy flag.
Drop the enemy flag. Drop the enemy flag. Drop the enemy flag. The enemy has our flag. Drop the enemy flag. The enemy dropped our flag. The flag has been returned to base. Good work.
Nice moves. Rock and rolling.
Friendly pilot on board.
Off to a great start, man. Keep it up.
You're on top.
Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 2 minutes. We're running out of time and the fleet up there is in bad shape. If you're gonna do something, McAllen, you'd better do it fast.
Bish, talk to me. Give me something I can work with.
Mac, if you can find a way to trigger a manual overload, that'll work, even if they manage to shut down the reactor core. Except there's one problem. There isn't a Titan in the world that can protect you against that kind of radiation.
You let me worry about that. We're not giving up, Bish.
Battle of attrition. Target and destroy all enemy forces.
Rank chip active. Good luck.